Halo teman-teman, hari ini kita akan lanjut cari mainan di halaman belakang rumah. Nicely. Oke, sekarang kita panggil dulu ember ajaib kita. 1, 2, 3. Mantap. Oke, let's go. Wah, nice. Wow. Water cannon. Warna biru. Blue. Nice. Mobil polisi, tank, yeah, nice. White jeep police, nicely. Okay, let's go. Whoa, nice. Mixer truck, red, nice. Red loader, nice. Oh, nice. Ooh. Red classic sport car, nicely. Yeah, nicely. Red sport car, Hotwheels. Lightning McQueen, nicely. Wow. Hot Wheels, red, nicely. Ooh. Yeah. Wow. What is it? Nicely. Ooh. Lion, dancing lion. Ooh. Wah, ini kuda nih teman-teman. Nicely. Yeah. Horse. Nice. Yeah. Yeah. And this is. Oh, ini keledai. Nicely. Wah, big mouse. Yeah. Nicely. Wait. Whoa, nicely. Hot Wheels, classic sport car, Range Rover, SUV, red tile, nicely. Yee. Classic sport car, Dodge Challenger, nicely. Let's go. Wait. Ford Mustang, nicely. Woohoo. Supersonic, nicely. Yeah. Let's go. Wow. Yeah. Giraffe. Nicely. Zebra. Nice. This is lion. Wow. Nicely. This is a shape. Yeah. Nicely. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan komen. Bye-bye.